how to add a story on TikTok. So if you want to add a story on TikTok, then first you need to open up your TikTok application. And once you open your TikTok, you can go to your profile, which will be on the bottom right. You can tap on your profile and it will take you to your profile, right? So once you're on your profile, you can simply go for the profile picture, and under your profile picture, you will have a plus icon. Tap on the plus, and under your plus here, you can choose a picture or an image to add to your story. And once you tap on your story, now it may take some time to upload the story, and that's it, your story was uploaded. And now you can tap on your profile picture, and that's it. That's how you post your story on TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.